Okay. Angela, Bernice, and Callista were given some concert tickets to sell. The price of each ticket was $12. One ticket, $12. Callista sold 1/5 of the tickets, while Angela and Bernice sold the remaining number of tickets in the ratio of 5:7. So this Callista sold 1/5. So this is 1 unit, 5 unit. 1 unit is sold by Callista. C. 5 unit is my total tickets, right? While Angela and Bernice sold the remaining tickets. So from that units that I labeled just now, right? That 1 unit and the 5 units, I can find out what's the remaining units for the tickets. Okay, how do I do that? I'm gonna plug out the fraction. Unit. Okay, so I put it down like that. So this is what Callista have. This is my total tickets. So to find the remainder, what I'm going to do is minus. Okay, remaining means if you give someone something, you're going to have a balance. That balance is called the leftover. That balance is called the remainder or remaining. Okay, so I take 5 unit minus away 1 unit, I get 4 unit. This is my remaining tickets. And what happened to this remaining ticket? It is divided by the two girls, Angela and Bernice. And at the ratio of 5:7. There, from here. This is unit. Which means that this is the total number of tickets that they have. Okay, if you see one look, right? The total is 4 units, but the total of Angela and Bernice is more than 4 units. Not the same. Something is up there. Something must be done. But we just park it one side first. Okay, we come back to it later. If Bernice sold 18 more tickets, more. So this is a comparison between Bernice and Angela. I'm comparing. And when I am comparing them, this will be a minus, which means in the end, I'm going to minus Bernice and Angela together to find the unit to represent the 18 tickets between them. Okay? I have all this information. What am I going to do? You draw out the box. Okay? So we're going to draw out the box. Okay? We divide it into 3 columns because there's three girls. Okay? Angela, Bernice, and Callista. Like that. Angela, Bernice, Callista. Then we will cut up like that. Okay, now we put in the information. So we know that from here that Callista have 1 unit, right? From here also we know that Angela and Bernice have a total of 4 units, correct? So 4 unit is like this. This is between Angela and Callista total like this. Okay, so after that, we go on to the next one. We know that Angela and Bernice individually, the units. This is 5 unit, this is 7 units. Okay, did I do something? Oh, terbalik, sorry. Callista is on the right hand side. Again. Sorry. So Callista is 1 unit. Angela and Bernice is 4 units together, right? That total. So we know that Angela and Bernice is 5 unit and 7 unit respectively. So we know that this Angela and Bernice total is 4 unit. But if you look at the individual unit, right, 7 and 5, if you plus them together, you are going to get 12 unit. 4 unit and 12 unit, they are not the same, but it is actually representing Angela and Bernice total. Talking about the same two people, but the units are not the same. What must I do? Or in this case, the repeated total, Angela and Bernice total is repeated. You see, Angela and Bernice have one total here. Then Angela and Bernice got another total here, but their total is not the same. Okay, so we have to do something with this total, which is not the same first. So times 3 here. Once I times 3, it is 12 unit. Now 12 and 12 total is the same. Whatever I do to this row, the next item in the row will be affected like this. This is the final row, means the confirm units. Okay, Angela confirm 5 units. Bernice confirm 7 units. Calista confirm 3 units. Like that. Okay, so I want to know how many tickets did Calista sell. So you need to know the number of tickets that Calista sell. I want to find this one. Question mark. I'll put that first. However, remember I say that we need to compare between Bernice and Angela from this statement there. Okay, between Bernice and Angela, we compare, we minus. So we know that 7 unit minus 5 unit is 2 units. This 2 unit is actually my 18. 2 unit is 18. 1 unit is 18 divided by 2. I get 9. I want to find Calista 3 unit. 3 unit is 9 times 3. I get 27. This is my answer for part A. Done. How much money did they collect all together? So all together means let's look at the last row here. Okay. 5 unit plus 7 unit plus 3 unit equals to, you do that one first to find the total. 5 plus 7 plus 3 equals to 15 unit. Okay, so I want to find 15 unit first. So I know that 1 unit is 9. 15 unit is 15 times 9, and this will give me 135. Okay, I want to know, this is number of tickets. I want to know how much money, means the value or the amount that was collected. Okay, so one ticket is $12 coming from there. I have 135 tickets. That will be 135 times $12. Answer will be 1620. Answer. This is for part B. What concept is this? Repeated identity concept. Okay.